was hot today, Dan.
Yeah, tank tops, I guess, was the name of the game here locally. We got a pretty amplified weather pattern right now, which means our heat is someone else's stormy day, and that's what we've been seeing across the eastern portion of the country. We can cue up our weather graphics here. We've been dealing with some warm weather out to the west, but here's that deep trough across the east, and you can see showers and thunderstorms across most of the deep south, rain across Pennsylvania, and then that cold weather rotating around high pressure in the Great Lakes and into Minnesota. We were just mentioning in Minneapolis, they're going to be delaying the start of baseball. Here on the West Coast, though, it's just hot, high pressure building in here, and we saw temperatures some 15 to 20 degrees above normal today. We will see that again tomorrow. The ridge really just kind of parking over us right now. The hottest temperatures aloft will be over us tomorrow, so that means we have the potential to see highs that were even higher than today. Salinas at the airport hit 93 today, which, by the way, was 4 degrees short of the record, so we weren't even in record territory anywhere today. You have to go back to 1989 when apparently it was scorching hot for like the entire week. If you go back to the records, like 1989, early April, it was ridiculously hot. So we're not even close to those records, I guess, but it was still hot nonetheless here locally. It will be tomorrow as well. Maybe some exceptions, which I'll point out for you in a moment. In the meantime, we've been dealing with mostly clear skies. A live look from Domenico's tonight showing no low clouds, reflecting the light of the city at the moment. And our visibility tracker showing pretty good visibility out there as well. So we're doing nice as far as those skies are clear, but it's still very mild out there tonight. Now, what I'm expecting overnight is the winds to be continuing to push offshore. I've enhanced the winds on this graphic. That doesn't mean that the winds are going to be stronger. I just want you to be able to see the direction a little bit better. So it might look a little more intense than I would normally look on this graphic. Just keep that in mind. This is 6 a.m. Notice the winds seem to be pouring out of Monterey Bay, and that's really because most of these winds will be following the contours of the earth. The river valleys, the Salinas River Valley, San Benito, Pajaro River valleys, heading right out to sea into the Monterey Bay. And the reason that is that air is a little bit more dense. It's dry, it's cool, but once the sun comes up, it's going to warm that quickly. There's not a lot of moisture in that air. The sun will warm that air rapidly. Well, technically, the sun warms the ground, which then warms the air rapidly. That's kind of how the process works. But either way, it's going to warm up quickly tomorrow with these offshore winds pushing the warm air right toward the coast. And as we head into the afternoon, we're going to get a little switcheroo of the winds. Notice the winds turn into the south. It's very light to start off with. So lunchtime is going to be very hot around the bay. We're going to see highs in the 80s for most cities right around the bay, right around lunchtime. And then eventually this cooler breeze will kick in and start to cool us off tomorrow afternoon, eventually even reaching some of our inland valleys. So it's going to be a hot start to the day. I am expecting a slight cool down tomorrow afternoon. It may even bring a little bit of fog with it. At the moment, the model's not showing that, but I wouldn't be shocked to see just a touch. So we look at our beach forecast tomorrow. So if you're heading out to those beaches, keep in mind the warmest temperatures are going to be around noon tomorrow. It'll be 70 to 85 degrees depending on your location around the bay. Water temperature still cold though, 56 degrees, still chilly. That's an average of 3 spots, Santa Cruz, Monterey, and Moss Landing, by the way. Southwest winds tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots coming in, waves at 3 to 5 feet at 12 seconds, so smaller than the last couple of days, which is some good news. UV index will be on the high side. So we look at our forecast temperatures tomorrow for the rest of us. 83 in Santa Cruz, another very warm day for you. 81 in Capitola. You should get a little relief in the afternoon and evening though. 90 tomorrow, Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek. Those locations a little bit warmer than today. You're in the upper 80s today, so we're warming you up in Boulder Creek and Ben Lomond tomorrow. Watsonville coming back to 87 tomorrow. 94 in Salinas should beat today's high by just about a degree. 80s elsewhere around the Bay Shore, 90s farther inland. Gilroy and Hollister, low 90s tomorrow. Going to be very toasty there. Over to the Monterey Peninsula. Your high at the Monterey Airport today was 82. We should beat that by a couple of degrees tomorrow. 84 degrees. Same in Seaside, even warmer in Carmel. Pacific Grove, very comfortable if you want to go cool off someplace. Maybe see a butterfly. Why not? I guess the butterfly's probably gone at this point in time of the year. 90s up and down the Salinas Valley. I've got Greenfield as the hot spot tomorrow, 95 degrees. So we do have some heat out there. So stay cool if you can. It is going to cool off pretty quickly though. Friday, we'll see some fog on the coast. Gusty winds picking up Saturday and Sunday out of the northwest as we continue to see the weather pattern change, and then by Monday we'll see those temperatures drop again with a weather system passing by, which should bring some light rain to the region. I'm expecting a little bit of rain, not a lot, just a little bit, but notice how cool it is though through midweek next week. So we're going to see a major cool down next week with that system coming through. Inland areas dropping 10 degrees a day through Saturday, then leveling off for the weekend. Notice the windy though. It's going to be windy, especially in the valleys every afternoon. And then you're going to cool down another 10 degrees on Monday with those rain chances. Again, we'll keep an eye on that system coming tomorrow. The one hot day we got to get through before that happens.
All right. Thanks, Dan.